Welcome to Aolijue, your aluminum packaging partner since 2006. Our Cixi facility spans 40,000 square meters, equipped with 4 fully automatic aluminum bottle production lines. We specialize in precision aluminum screw thread bottles and aerosol cans for beverage, pharmaceutical, beauty, and industrial sectors. Diameter range 22 to 160 mm, height up to 300 mm. With ISO certified quality control, our annual capacity reaches 100 million units. Integrated automation and expert engineering ensure consistent quality and timely delivery. Aolijue, 2 decades of expertise, powering your packaging future.